Hello beautiful people, this is Ankita Bhardwaj. Welcome to the channel Ankita's Divine Tarot. This channel is all about pick a card readings, zodiac sign readings and monthly predictions. So if you are interested, then don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment and share if the readings are resonating. Today I am here with a pick a card reading on what are the career options for you, what are the best career options, what you need to work on for your career and what is the guidance right now for your career. Let's move ahead with the video. I have 4 piles in front of me. The first one here is Tiger's Eye for protection. Second here is Rose Quartz for self-love, for attracting love, etc. And third I have Clear Quartz for clarity. And then last one I have here is green fluorite, which is for healing. Now before you pick your pile or before you pick your crystal, please try to connect to yourself. Take 3 long deep breaths, try to connect to your intuitions, try to connect to the universe, and then pick the pile that is calling towards you or the crystal that is calling towards you. Now I will be giving the timestamps below in the description box, and I am moving forward with Tiger's Eye. You can forward it towards your reading. Hello beautiful people. If you have picked Tiger's Eye, then let's see what are the best career options for you, what is the guidance for your career and what you need to work on right now for your career. Okay, I have the Fool, Queen of Wands, Page of Pentacles, the Magician. Okay, this tells me that you are a very passionate person. You definitely go behind what you want. I mean, if somebody is asking you to change your path, or if somebody is trying to force something on you or trying to pressurize you for some other career or for some other field, then I don't see that you are that person who's going to listen to them, because in the end you are going to do what you want, you are going to do what you feel is right for you and what you love, what you are passionate about. I do see that nature inside of you. I also see that business can be a really good thing for you. Business or anything related to creativity is also, I can see something for you, because I have the Magician here, which can tell me that you're very good with creativity. You can also be good with technology, to be honest. If this is resonating, please take. If it's not resonating, let it go. I do see that you are good with technology and you can pursue something related to technology also, whether it is related to electronics, whether it is related to technology. It can be anything. It can be also social media, it can be mass media, it can be anything. I also see good business opportunities coming for you. Basically, main guidance for you here is, or main career I see for this pile is that business is actually best for you. Whether you go ahead with any business will always be a profit. I don't see that you are that kind of person who likes to work under people. I do have this feeling that you are this person who wants to be the leader, who has the leader qualities and who wants people to work under them. So I do see business would be very good for you. I also see that you might also pursue some work that involves risk. That could be a message for some of you out there, that some risk, whether it can be pilot, whether it can be risk some with some technology, maybe pilot. Traveling is also a little something I see here for you. So yeah, and I also see that you are very good with managing something. So if management is something you want to do, managing anything or being a manager or something related to management, if you want to do, I do see that in that also you can do wonders and you can do very great. Balance, the need for balance and moderation, cooperation and compromise, wait for perfect timing. So I feel right now is not the perfect timing for your career. Maybe you're confused right now, maybe you need balance in your life right now. Maybe you're juggling right now, whether to choose this, whether to choose that. So right now I think you just need to wait for the perfect timing and you need to have the balance. You need to cooperate with, as I said in the as I said before, that maybe people are trying to guide you towards something you do not want to do, and you just have your eyes upon something and you just want to take that only. and right now it doesn't seem that it's the right time to pursue that, or maybe you feel that there are many hurdles or a lot of struggle in that area. So right now the guidance is to just cooperate with others, to compromise a little, because in the future whatever you want to pursue you will pursue it, but for now I think whatever the universe is giving you or whatever people are guiding towards you, you just need to cooperate with it, and you need to compromise a little for now. And for whatever you want in the future, whether it's creativity, whether it's technology, whether it's related to something social media, whether it involves some risk, whether it's you being a pilot, there is a possibility you want to be a pilot. But whatever it is, wait for the perfect timing. It is going to happen. You don't have to worry right now. Just try to divert yourself, try to listen to the people around you, whatever they're guiding you towards. Maybe right now you need, universe wants you to focus on that, and later you will be getting what you want. Okay. And I also have strength here, great inner strength, release harsh judgments, forgiveness and compassion. So strength card also tells me that right now you do need strength, and right now I also see that people are there to support you. People are, you, maybe this is your partner supporting you, trying to support you, trying to help you with something, try to help you figure out your ways, trying to help you figure out what's the best for you right now, what you need to do right now. Or it's your parents, it's your family, it's your friends. I do see you have support, you have guidance, and right now I do see that you need to listen. And the guidance is also that you should listen to your surroundings or anybody who is guiding you towards the right path right now. Maybe right now that doesn't seem right, but it is right. Okay, if it resonates, please take it. I also have 10 of Earth, a very happy family life, financial security, finding magic in the little things. So I do see that in the future you do have a very happy financial security, you're going to have it, but right now it's just you're not getting the completion you want, but in the future you are going to get it. I also see that for this pile in the future you might carry on some family business. This might resonate with some of you all, that some family business is going to be there, or you already have it. So maybe for some people this could be a message for some people that you are wanting to pursue something very different, something very unique, something very creative, something very just very different, and but your family is guiding you towards family business right now, which you might not want to do it right now, but right now it is, trust me, it is the best for you, for your family, and later, trust me, you will be able to pursue whatever you want to pursue. Right now, just don't feel sad, don't feel depressed, and try to focus on this opportunity that you're getting from family or any guidance. If it is not family business, whatever guidance you're getting from your family, from your friends, just take it, accept it, and move forwards with it. Okay, because I do see a resting movement here, which could be that this could mean one thing, that you are very good with managing and you want to do something with management, or right now maybe somebody is asking you to go with management, so you can also pursue that right now. Okay, but arresting movement also gives me the message that somehow you yourself are blocking your own ways by not accepting the opportunity that you're getting from the universe. So don't try to arrest it, just try to let it go. Don't restrict yourself. Right now whatever you're getting is best for you, and whatever you want will come in the future if you are patient with it right now. Okay, I also have increase for you, which says that something is going to increase, maybe financial flow. Maybe right now the financial flow is not very good right now, but in the future the financial flow is going to be there. You are going to have a promotion, you are going to feel free, you are going to have the balance you want in your life. I also see that. Let's see what you need to work on. The time of death, rare souls. Okay, see, rare souls again tells me that you are somebody who's very unique, somebody who is very different, and somebody who wants different from this life. From this pile, I do not see that you want something very general or very usual for yourself, for whatever it is. Maybe like your family or everybody's guiding you towards go something very, which is very usual for everybody, and which is like anybody can do it and everybody is doing it, but you are that person who wants to do something totally different. So right now I think the best for you is to listen to the people around you. Go ahead with it. Whatever change is coming your way, please accept that change. That change is going to make you a better person and give you the experience you need right now. I think whatever you want, the creativity, the whatever it is, whatever different it is, whether it's you being a pilot, you pursuing something related to technology, management, creativity, it can be anything actually. Whatever you want, you are going to achieve it in the future. It's just right now, it's not the right time. Right now you need to focus on what you have been right now. You need to focus on what the universe is giving you. Alright, that's all I had for the pile one, that is the tiger's eye. I hope it resonated. If it didn't resonate, it's okay. There might be other messages that come from me to you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to like, comment and share if the readings resonated. Thank you. Hello beautiful people. For the people who picked rose quartz, let's see what are the best career options for this pile, what you can expect and what is the guidance for you. Okay, for the pile rose quartz, I see that whether it's something related to traveling, which involves traveling, or which involves communication, or that involves something related to law. These are the three messages for sure I'm getting in this pile. Okay, so the first thing I'm getting here is traveling, second communication, something for sure related to communication. I think you're a person who's very good with his communication, who's very good with speech, who's has a very good command of their speech. I do see that. So you can definitely go ahead with something related to communication, whether it's marketing, whether it's related to consulting anybody, guiding anybody, or being even a teacher. And the other option I'm getting here is law. Maybe you can pursue law. If you are thinking about it, then go ahead, because that is one of the best career options for you. Anything related to law, whether it's a lawyer or anything in general. Then I have removing corruption, that again tells me to be honest, law. Or maybe this file could also be something related to political. Maybe if you want to go ahead with politics, that is also something I see for you, because I see traveling for you, I see communication for you, and I see law for you. I think all of this involves that maybe you can go ahead with politics. If not politics, then being a lawyer would be something for you. Anything for sure related to communication would be good for you. I have the Emperor here, which is organization and logic, structure and discipline, leadership. So I do say that you are somebody who believes in leading rather than being under someone. I do not see that you are this person who wants to be under someone. And I also have the perseverance here. So you're a very bold personality. You're a very I would say attractive personality. You have that magnetic attraction inside of you, that with your communication, with your points, with your opinions, you can actually attract anybody. With your boldness, with your confidence, you can attract anybody who can. I think politics or law would be best for this pile, but even if you're not interested in law or politics, you can go ahead with something communication, because you are somebody who's very bold with communication and who can attract anybody. I think marketing is also I see for this pile. So if you want to go ahead with marketing, that is also a very good option for you. I have Page of Air, logical, honest, impulsive and curious, challenging information, delays or change of plans, truth delivered without tact. Again, truth delivered without tact. Also I see something related to law, to be honest. Removing corruption is also something I see with law. So with this pile, I see law is a big thing. I'm getting law. So maybe if you're interested for going ahead with law, maybe you can pursue that. That's a very good option for you. I see trustworthy, compassionate, respected, cultured. So your dignity is everything for you. You believe in having you have a self-respect, and you believe that you have this thing inside you that I want respect. I attract respect. You are someone who attracts respect just when you open up with anybody. With your communication, you're so good. With your confidence, with your boldness, you're so good that you attract respect, you attract love from people. Also, you can be a very good teacher. So if you are wanting to go ahead with teacher, please go ahead with teacher. You can be strict, and at the same time you can be this person who can be very good with guidance, who can be very bold, who can be very confident about their guidance, whatever they're guiding the other person towards. You can also be a very good counselor. So I am trying my best to connect to a lot of people here. So whatever message you connect to, please take it and rest, just let it go. So if you have been thinking about traveling, something related to traveling, maybe that's something you are very good at it, and that's something the guidance I'm getting, that it's best for you and you should go ahead. If you are very good with communication, you're thinking about marketing or anything related to mass media, journalism, anything related to communication, then please go ahead with it. If you have been thinking about law, politics, then please go ahead with it, because I do have very strong guidance here that you need to pursue something that is related to communication, or related to where you have to make things right, you have to make the decisions, you have to take control. It could also mean teaching. Let's see what you need to work on for your career. Encouragement, equal vision again gives me law, to be honest. So maybe you can pursue law. And equal vision also tells me that you need to I think what you need to work on right now is that maybe you are not very confident about your future right now. You have a lot of insecurities about it, or even if you do not have insecurities, I do see the message here that equal vision also tells me that you can work on your guidance skills, because you're very good with guiding, you're very good with advising other people, you're very good with counseling. So you should work on that. If you are stuck with what to choose, what not to choose, I think this could be a message that you are very good with guidance. Work on it more and more, work on yourself more and more, work on your communication skills maybe. And encouragement is something I see that you are a very encouraged person, and you can encourage people around you also. So try to work on that also. Try to, you are this person who has a very happy vibe, who has a very positive vibe, who has a very bold vibe, and whenever somebody comes around you, they can automatically feel your vibe, this bold energy. So the message I'm getting here that you need to work on is that keep on working on your bold energy, on your this magnetic attracting energy that you have, which is whether it's communication, whether it's your boldness, whether it's making the right decisions, whatever it is, just keep on working on it. And honestly, I don't say that you have to work a lot in this pile right now. I see that very soon you are going to get what you deserve, what you want. I have given you the best options. If it resonated, if even any one message resonated, please go ahead with it. This could be a message that you need to pursue that. Thank you so much. If it didn't resonate, then let it go. There might be other messages that come from me to you. Hello to the people who picked clear quotes. Let's see what are the best career options for you all. Take what resonates. If even one of the career or opportunity or the profession matches, then take it. And if it doesn't resonate, please let it go. You don't need to stress about it. All you have to do is just let it go. Now let's see what is the best career option for you here. Okay, a very strong message I'm getting for the clear quotes here is that spirituality can be something for you. Spirituality, yes. Even if you are not into spirituality right now, because that is something I see for some of you all here, that maybe you don't know what you need to do. or yet you are not that spiritual, but I do see in the future you are going to be spiritual. You are going to do something related to spirituality for sure. It could be guiding others through cards, tarot cards, or guiding others through astrology, numerology, palmistry, anything related to spirituality. I also see very good vibes for healers here. Okay, if this is the message is resonating, take it. If it's not resonating, please let it go and try to pick the other piles. Maybe I have a message for you in that pile. I also see that you might be working in an organization in the future. Maybe a spiritual organization is a strong message I'm getting here. To be honest, I do not see anything other than spirituality for this pile. I have no idea, because every other card is giving me spirituality. So I'm sorry if I'm not able to come up with other color options in this pile, because that is the only one message I'm getting here. Maybe try to pick another pile if it's not resonating. I have unity here, which is traditional viewpoints or methods, spiritual organization, seek out mentors and like-minded friends. So I do see that maybe you can be a teacher, but that's a very less chance I'm getting for this pile. Mostly I see that you connecting to spiritual organizations, you being a spiritual person, you trying to guide somebody through your spiritual knowledge, through your connectivity with the universe, a desire to move on, search for something more meaningful, spiritual and emotional growth. This also tells me that maybe right now you're struggling a little to be focused on one thing. Maybe spirituality is an option right now in your life and you're pursuing something different, but the clear guidance I'm getting here is that you need to focus on something more meaningful, which is spirituality for you, which your heart somehow is guiding you towards, but you're just not able to take that step. But I do feel that you should take that step. Victory, good news, it's on its way. Public recognition or awards. For some of the people, I'm getting a message here that if you are already into spirituality, then take a next level into it. Try to be more consistent with it and try to enhance your level. Try to come up on social platforms maybe, because public recognition is something I see coming for you in the very near future if you are already in this spirituality. So just try to level up. The main message for people who are into spirituality I'm getting for their career is that please take a next level, take the next step, because public recognition is on its way. What you do is best for you and you're very good at it. You are somebody who can connect to the universe on a very good level. I also have that message. So please try to spread this knowledge, try to spread your spiritual knowledge, try to be active on social platforms, or try to just connect to as much as people as you can. Okay, I do have gentle penetration, gradual progress and growth. So maybe you are struggling right now in your spiritual life, or even in general you're struggling to choose your career. I would suggest that if you have spirituality in mind, please give it some time. Please be patient and be consistent with it, because gradual progress and growth is something I see for you. Growth is going to be there. If you know, one message I'm getting here, that if it is not working right now, it does not mean that it is not going to work in the future. Then don't give up. It's just a slow process, but it is going to happen. See, spirituality is something that doesn't happen in a day or two. You need time, you need patience, you need to be consistent in order to connect to the universe and in order to connect to as many people as you can. Okay, so just be slow. It's okay to be slow, it's okay to be patient. It's not necessary that everything you want is going to come just within a day or two. You need to have that faith on the universe, and spirituality is all about having faith, all about having the patience. So just have patience. I do see that maybe you're juggling also. For some this could resonate, that you are juggling, you have something going on in your life right now, and you also have spirituality as your option. So I do see that you should go ahead with spirituality. I do see in the future you will be connecting to many spiritual organizations also, and it is going to be very good for you. Victory is going to be there, good news is going to be there, public recognition is going to be there if you follow your heart and go ahead with this. Yes, it's going to be a slow process, I'm not saying no to that, but it is going to be very healthy for you, very it's going to be best for you, to be honest. And let's see what you need to work on right now. First thing I got a message that you need to work on is that you need to be patient right now, and you need to do what you want to do. You need to take a step, you need to level up the restless mind and leadership. Okay, you need to work more on your leadership, you need to take a step. As I said before, you need to take the risk, you need to take the step. This could also mean that you need to start something on your own now. Leadership also says that you need to start something on your own, you need to take things in your hands. Maybe right now you're working in an organization and you're not very happy about it. So the guidance is to choose the path that makes you happy and choose the path that makes you take things in your hand, that makes you control your life and control you also. Leadership is giving me that message. See, if you have been wanting to pursue this spirituality for a long time, only then try to focus more on that. If you are not at all interested, then please let it go, let the message go. I also have the restless mind here, so that again tells me that you are stuck or you are juggling with something right now, and your mind is being very restless, whether it's going to be good, whether it's not, whether it's the best for me or not, whether I should take the step. The strong message I'm getting here is take the step, level up, this is the best career for you, spirituality. If it's resonating, please take. If not, again and again I'm saying let it go. Alright, I see that's all I have for clear quotes here. Spiritual organization, spirituality, guiding others, counseling others, or even leadership, which is taking things in control, taking things in your own hands. That's what you need to work on, and be patient and be consistent with this spiritual journey that you are be consistent with this spiritual journey, and someday for sure you're going to have the victory and the good news you deserve. If it resonated, take it. If not, let it go. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment if it resonated. Hello beautiful people, if you have picked this green fluorite, then let's see what are the best career options for you, what you need to work on, what is the guidance from the universe. If the messages resonate, then please take them. If they are not resonating, then let it go. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment and share if the readings are resonating. Okay, first of all, I see that you are a very caring person. You are this person who is very much connected to themselves. You're this person who's very stable with their thoughts, stable with their emotions, and very clear about what they want in life. That is a big message I'm getting. You're a very clear personality. It's like, you know what you want. You know exactly what you want. You know that you have to work hard for it, and you're ready to work hard for it. That's a very good message I'm getting here for pile 4 green fluorite. I also see that you are a very balanced personality. You are very clear personality. You have clear intentions, you have clear thoughts, you have the clarity what you need to pursue. And a big message, I don't know why, but big message I'm getting for this pile is that your career can be about serving others, serving the other people around you, helping other people around you, or even serving the nation, serving the country, serving your city, so serving anybody in general. That is a big message I'm getting for you here. I have the army card here, which tells me that if you have been thinking about anything related to army, please go ahead with it, because this is what you are meant to do. You are meant to serve others, you're meant to serve the nation, serve the country. So if this is a message that is resonating, please take it and go ahead with it. Don't feel confused, don't feel negative, or don't have any insecurities. You can go ahead with it and you will for sure have it. I also have Operation March Joyful, which tells me that maybe you have been wanting to go ahead with being a doctor, any kind of doctor. That is also a very good career option for you. If you want to pursue the medicine, or if you want to pursue the medical field, that's a very good option. Please go ahead if it's resonating. That's a message here. Also, if there is any other thing that you want to do related to serving others, maybe NGOs or some organizations where you have to serve people, go ahead with that. That is also a very good opportunity for you. I have Knight of Water. Okay, enthusiastic, contemplative. Okay, an invitation to a social event. So yes, you are somebody who is very social, or who loves to be social, who loves to serve people. Maybe that is something I see here for you. So please go ahead with something that makes you happy, that makes you feel balanced, because I do see that somehow serving others is what makes you balanced. You're a very affectionate person. So go ahead with medical, go ahead with army, go ahead with organizations where you have to serve others. Any there are many professions that are related to such field where you have to serve. So go ahead with that. Or focus, communicate with vision, and be a leader. Advice from someone creative, motivational, idealistic, ambitious, charismatic. This is a very good message I'm getting for you, that you maybe, for some people, I also have this message that you are this person who is very motivated in their life, who is very good with guidance, who is very connected to themselves. So maybe you can also go ahead with motivating others, counseling, or guiding others, or you can also be a motivational speaker. That is also a very good option for you, because you're very balanced, very connected, very affectionate, and a very stable personality, very clear with their advice. Even if sometimes you're not very clear with your own life, you have this thing that you can always give a very clear message or a very clear guidance to the other person, no matter what is going on in your own life. Okay, then I also have Nine of Water. Your wish comes true, concerns fade away. So whatever you have been wanting to pursue, it is going to come true. You do not have to worry. Good things are coming your way. Things are looking up, and I don't think you should be worrying about anything. The best career options for you are the army, doctor, anything related to medical, anything related to serving others, organizations that involve something like this, or also a motivational speaker, guiding, counseling, or anything even related to teaching. Let's see what you need to work on for your career. True leaders. Okay, I have true leaders here. So this message actually resonates a lot with this one, which is army and the medical field, which is very obvious. These are the true leaders in our life. The army, the soldiers, the doctors, they are the true leaders. They save lives. So I do see this is a very good option for you if you have been wanting to pursue medical or anything related to serving others, army, or anything like that. Please go ahead with it. Secrets of secrets. I do see that maybe right now what you need to work on is that you need more research on this field. You need more research on, maybe this is some guidance I'm getting here, that right now there's a big need to do more research, to do more, to get more knowledge about your own field, to get more knowledge about whether it's medical, whether it's, maybe you need to study a lot right now. That is what you need to work on. You need to study a lot in order, whether it's medical, whether it's related to army, being a soldier, being anybody, whatever you're wanting to start, whatever, you're going to get it for sure. But right now what you need to work on is study, or in general get more knowledge about it. Do the research that you need to do. That is a big message that I'm getting here for you to work on your career. Other than that, I see everything good for you, everything stable for you. You're going to get an authority, you're going to have a good position in your life in the future. Please don't worry about it. Just focus and try to always be balanced, because you are a very clear person, a very balanced personality, and try to get as much as knowledge you can for your career. Thank you. Let me know if it resonated or not in the comments. If it didn't resonate, please let it go. It's okay. There might be other messages that come from me to you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.